Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me today in my video update as I update my cryptocurrency portfolio. This is something I've been doing since February 2021 this year, although the portfolio was actually started last year in the summer of 2020. Also, before I continue, it's important for me to make sure you stay to the end of the video, by the way. After my update, I always talk about something, the mindset, the markets, or something of interest. So stay to the end, please. So go do the disclaimer. I'm not a financial planner. There's not financial advice given on in this video. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. I'm not an accountant or CPA. So do your own due diligence, do your own research. Always understand that in any kind of investing in any kind of cryptocurrencies or any kind of investment at all, there are always risks associated. So do not invest more than you can afford to lose. With that, what I'm going to do is share my screen and then just update the figures for today. So this is the spreadsheet I've been updating since February, and I decided to start documenting in February to use this for analysis and also future case studies as well. But basically, we've got three columns here: the altcoin column, the Bitcoin column, and the totals column. And we've got the green, which is where the market has gone forward on the previous day, and the red, where it's gone backward on the previous day. So forward, backward, forward, backward. So sometimes we go forward many days in a row, and sometimes we go backwards a few days in a row as well. That's just the pattern of things, and sometimes we go backwards and forward alternately. It's, very interesting. Forward, backward, forward, backward. But it's coming down here. Where are we now? All the way down here in August. So I've been doing this for almost 6 months now. But anyway, here we are, the 20th of August. And I get the figures from this page here. And this portfolio, they're coming from a live feed here down the bottom. You see the live feed, which is connected to CoinMarketCap, and then into an asset group, and then the final figures are put here. So what I'm going to do here is updates. Okay, so this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially researched alternative coins apart from Bitcoin. Then that's the total up here. And what we have here is in US dollars, as you can see. In the middle is in Great British Pounds or pound sterling. And this is the split. So you can see I put the majority of my money in the altcoins, and there's a good reason for that. So before I continue, let's continue. Let's take this. Let's take this figure here: 158,157 and 12. 158, 157, 12. That should be easy to remember. So let's put the time in. 157, 158.12. I got that right. Anyway, change. Yeah, it always updates every 10 minutes, so it's changed. 157, 13, 19. Let's just change that to 13, 19 now. 113 rather. Anyway, 3.19, I think. Okay. And then let's bring this down, let's calculate this. That's 10,000 over yesterday, so it's gone up 10,000 over yesterday, $10,542. And the totals column, which is 205,459.42. 205,459.42. And what have we got here? That's up by 13,000 as well. That's all good. So it's up by 13,297. That's good. Bitcoin's up by 2,754 today. But 2,754 has been on a bit of a climb. It's quite a jump. Hasn't had a jump like that for a while, because this was a 2000 jump in August the 13th. and another one, I guess, August the 7th. But yeah, there's a 3,000, 4,000, or 4,000 jump there in July 26th. So, okay. In fact, talking about the Bitcoin, observing it over the last few minutes, it's just gone for the last, let's say, couple of hours, just over an hour. It's gone up like 3% and shut up quite sharp, observing the Bitcoin growth, and it's just starting to decline now, but it went on quite an upward spiral over the last few months. So it's brought Bitcoin's price to over 48,000. Had a high today of 48,637. So Bitcoin has still got a lot of life in it. It's still, it's a currency that's really going to go somewhere in the future. And those who knows how to use it can really use it to multiply their wealth. Don't put all your money in fiat money. You need to know how to understand the game of money and play it well. And there's a time to put your money in fiat currency, and there's a time to put it in cryptocurrency, and there's time to put it in certain cryptocurrencies versus another. And if you're smart, and if you know what you're doing, if you learn what to do, you can actually allow the markets to help you multiply your wealth. But you just got to be smart about it. It'll help you multiply your wealth. And so that's really, very few people understand the game of money and how to play it well. Very few people understand that. But there's life in Bitcoin. This is the 1 minute chart. Shouldn't be looking at the 1 minute chart, but I'm just looking at how it was going. Usually I look at the day chart, and I just reset. Usually look at the day chart. That's really what we were looking at here within a day. But we know that Bitcoin has gone on a spiral up to its peak in April, and then plummeted down. And there are a lot of people that got rich from this, from it going up and from it going down. And it's going up again. A lot of people who made a lot of money. So if you understand, you let the markets help you to make money easily and effortlessly. But it takes some knowledge and some understanding of how the markets work. But different currencies play off each other. It's not just Bitcoin, but it's Ethereum, and then there's other alternative coins, and they play off each other and actually multiply your money for those who understand what they're doing. And that can actually substantially increase your number. If you want to, you can actually grow Bitcoin, for example, and use other coins to grow Bitcoin. It's pretty, like I said, how to understand the game of money and play it well. And that's something I'll be teaching some of our members. But there are some amazing challenges here. Just looking at the support level. Powerful support line here, right here. So click it. So this is a very important level. The drag it all the way to the end, 28,000 level. But like I said, regarding the Gaussian channel, as I said in the video yesterday, Bitcoin was pulled back into the quicksand, and it's likely to get dragged further deeper into the quicksand as it continues, just like it was here, pulled back into the quicksand, and even underneath it, slightly, and as it was previously, pulled back into the quicksand when it tried to escape, and underneath it. So straight that down. So here we are here. And yeah, it's not escaped to quicksand yet. It's not impossible, but it's unlikely. Let's put it that way. It's not impossible, but it's unlikely. And usually, if it came down to the level of it, it would be around the 28,000, 28,900. You see on the left-hand side, 28,901, which is around the 28,000 mark, which is similar to where this white line is, roughly that level. But so there's not, number one, it could easily come down to that level. Number two, if it goes below this level, underneath, as we mentioned, when it goes in, it usually comes out 50%, up to 50% below. 50% mark takes you just under the 20,000 level. So yeah. Something like that. That there, stay still. If it decides to fall underneath the Darcy channel like it did here and previously, you could be looking at that, and that could be in the next 3 months or so, 3 to 4 months, within the next 3 to 4 months. So it's still got a journey of trying to escape it. And as we move on into the months of September, October, November, we will see what will happen. But if it does, it's going to be an amazing buying opportunity, and that's how you get wealthy. So you like to buy when it dips, okay, and then you sell when it rises. That's the basic thing about making money in cryptocurrency. You buy when it dips, and you sell when it rises. Okay. And, so the question is, how do you know it's going to dip? Well, like I said, indicated like this. It isn't one of many, and some actually point in the opposite way, and some actually do support this as well. So that's why it's a possibility. But this has been very, very reliable over the last 10, 12 years. It has never really failed. Whenever it has gone in, has usually stayed in for a long time. I think the first time it went in, stayed in for around 6 months. But since then, it's been staying in there for a year approximately. And there was a time, I believe, in a bit longer. So, but it's always fallen into it and stayed in for some time. But let's watch and see. We shall watch and see whether it will fall down to the, the 28,000 level, or the 28,000 level, which is a major support level, or further to the 19,000, 18,000 level, which could definitely happen. Actually, this could even be brought down. To be honest, I would say not this line. This could actually be brought down, but perhaps to I would say to the 18,000 level. But that's another major support level there. Yeah, that's something like this. Yeah, a little bit. Somewhere around that level. We'll see. We've got to keep observing and keep you updated. For those of you who are interested in learning how to understand the game of money and play it well, how to understand the game of money. I am Wealthy Rich, how to understand the game of money and play it well. First step is to download. There's 2 levels, the mindset level and then the investment level. Get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy, and then you can send us an email and we'll get you on a webinar to talk more about the altcoins and why invest more money in those than in Bitcoin. Okay, so with that, I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.